Okay, so now here we are for phase 3, so-called. And you can see that I've added quite a bit more shadow shapes and light shapes. And now I'm ready to finish the background. So I'm going to be using my 4B pencil. You can see that right there, 4B. Okay, softer lead, and it deposits more lead on the page. And I'm going to get my background in here. So back here with my 4B pencil, and you can see that that gets quite a bit darker. Now remember, this is treated paper, so there is a little bit of a texture to it. I love it. And in a situation like this, definitely turn your paper. I'm not turning mine because I don't want to mess up the video orientation. I'm trying to go in one direction also as much as I can. My main interest here is the glass, otherwise I would be adding a little bit more real estate over here just so I don't have a crowded edge. Oh, I can really feel the difference in this pencil. I'm going to round that corner a little bit. I'll speed this process up. And so now I want to add some blacks and I want to add some whites, and we'll be good to go. So anywhere where I see that there needs to be an adjustment, I'm going to put it in. Anytime when you feel like you're getting soft lines, when you need hard ones, just sharpen your pencil. And there's some areas in here that are dark. So now this is that last stage that I'm always talking about, where you put in your darks and your lights. Now I'm really looking for them. And you got to just remember that it's really about 5% black and 5% white, which is a 10% overall value. And all the rest, that 91%, all the rest is your mid-tone range. But this is really important because it makes everything else pop. adds a richness. It adds completion. It really just it just gives it class. Because it's all about the contrast, kids. Really, really, really all about the contrast. It just is all about that contrast. So this is all about getting that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful contrast in there. And just making this look spectacular. Getting these edges, nice sharp glass edges here. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with white. I'm going to try a wax pencil, white pencil, color pencil, but I don't think it's going to be the best on this gessoed surface. So I also have my gel pen. So here's my Prismacolor white here, and here's my gel pen. Let's see, pigment ink, and it's Signo. Okay, I'm gonna try that. So I think, yep, that's not gonna do what I want it to do. It's just going to add that little bit of bright white. And you see I'm using it very sparingly. This is going to be brighter in here and not back here. But there is a big shiny spot right here. And here, and even though this is on a white surface, it's going to show up. These gel pens are awesome. So I really haven't added any white back here. I let it be the color of the paper. If you're using gray paper, then you're going to put a very, 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 very soft white with your general charcoal white. But on the top of the glass, where it's coming towards you, is where you want that white light to lay on top, so that it comes forward. And there's a goodly amount of white down here, and I'm going to put it in with gusto. And well, I hope this helps you in your journey. And I really look forward to seeing your finished drawings next week. Okay, bye.